how to buy PredictClaw token. So this token came under the symbol of PCLAW. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use post below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Mexc account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 5 hours ago and increased, as you can see, by 3%, and it keep increasing. So to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here to copy the token address and make sure this token is under the base network. Now go to your Bitget wallet or any wallet that you use, and now just go to your wallet, and from the top right corner, click here and select the base network. After that, click on this little plus icon and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, now here, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now after that, go back to your wallet and now click on the search icon, and now you can just type the token name PCLAW. As you can see, this is now, click on it. After that, click on swap. Now from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy it. For example, I will use the USDT. I would prefer the USDT token. After that, you can type how much you want to buy like that, and here you will be able to see how much you receive. As you can see, no price available. You just try to increase or decrease the price, and after that you can here see the swap. After that, click on it and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy PCLAW token, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.